This town has been dirty for some time. Recently, I launched cleaning exercise in the county, where I'm involving young people, 24,000. At the end of the month, I give them some 10,000. Therefore, in doing so, they have been having kangaroo courts on the road. Kama umemwaga uchafu, kimakusudi, wanabeba, wanakuletea kwa mlango yako. There is an incident, and this is very sudden. There is an incident, somebody, amekunywa pombe, decided to leave himself in the street. Therefore, the municipal court, I am sure, the magistrate will come, will be able to help us because of the bylaws to sort out this menace. Kwa hivyo umeona vijana wengi, juzi nili 2,000, wale wengine wamefanya kazi nyingine 2,000, and they are doing it kwa awamu. Every month, kila mtu asikie uzuri wa county. That's what we are doing. Therefore, I've told them, when I was launching that, I told them now they don't have to pour that. Kama mtu amekonya, anakamatwa yeye, anapelekwa kwa police station hapa, kesho yake anapelekwa kwa municipal court, anapigwa fine, kama si anaenda kwa prison hapa, anakaa siku 2, anafagia, anarudi nyumbani. You know, also we don't want to congest the prisons. The alternative justice system hapa, ambayo pia itakuwa municipal court. Environment helps prevent crime, foster social order, and creates the condition necessary for effective administrative justice, including successful implementation. You see how clean is it? You will be happy because you told me how messy it was. You planted trees. You will see how we have done it. Kwa hivyo leo ukiamua tu jioni umetoa tai, wewe tembea uone. There is order. Marole kakeka oni. Nenda mwe. Se. Kana dei boko bikeko bia heta ndo abikana. Ndo abikana. Ndo ndio wale ni waibu ya. Even kisunga meters. Nairobi of course kuna shida nyingi. You can see for yourself what we are doing in this town. Kisii is the headquarters of Nyanza. Even from the time of memorial, the Kavirondo, before Baba passed away, was giving me a story of Kisii. This is where people would come from Kericho, from Bomet, from Narok, from Migori, Omabay, Yamira, to be paid salaries here. Please, judicial, let us also get that one, that every person will want to have this place, their place. And I'm ready as your governor, my people, to serve you. I'm your servant, as I always say, and I'm ready to take instructions. Nyambera means what? Grave side. Madam President, I got a heap of garbage, which was started back the year 1953, ambayo ilikuwa imetolewa. Where vultures zilikuwa zinakaa juu, zikimaliza kukula zinarudi kwa hospitali juu. Then as a result, zikakula zile mabati. Without the administration kujua, mvua over the years, maji ikaingia. One of the building inaitwa Nyangito Wing. Kumbe maji imeingia katika columns. Kwenda kuangalia tukapata hospitali with a capacity of 500 patients. It was coming down. Therefore, we stopped, we removed the people from inside. But as a result, today, see what we have been able to do. It is the desire of Justice now. Today, these wazés, they will go there, sit, bask on the sun, take a drink. If they have quarreled from home, they can finish their quarrel in the park down. You relax. Mnaenda pale na wajukuu, mnatembea, mnashukuru. One of the places that we have cleared, because when I came in, alinisomea sana. Na hata akanipandisha, alikuja akaniambia nipande mti hapa ndani, which I did. Good people. Mwaita again.